show?
Yeah, there's a place called Shobayo. So we'll go there and have a look.
Okay.
Okay?
Awesome.
Okay.
Rajitha wanted to show me one popular thing that he and his friends and other young Colombo professionals enjoy doing after work. Visit a beach bar.
Wow, our tuk-tuk driver made a U-turn in this crowded traffic. This tuk-tuk driver like really tightly around traffic. Buddhas are everywhere.
So we're off to Mount Lavinia, which is known for its community of beach bars.
Okay, so here we are in Shore by O kitchen, and we're gonna make crab curry. Right?
Yes, it's a Colombo Lagoon crab curry with coconut sambal and bread. His name is Malik. He's going to show us how to make the crab curry now.
These are the crabs. So these are freshwater crabs.
Yeah, the lagoon crab is a little bit darker.
Yes.
Okay, and the sea crab is a little bit colorful. Okay, and the fresh wise, lagoon crab has more flesh and it's more flavor actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
more flavorful than sea crab.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's different environment, right?
Yes, it
That's
raised
a-
in different environment. They eat different foods. That's the reason. Yeah. First, we adding coconut oil, onions, chop 5 inches of onions, and then garlic, green chilies, curry leaves. Sri Lankan food is nothing without curry leaves. Tomato.
What is Shore by O doing for this? Are they known for this?
Yeah, Shobai is mainly for like they are good food, and you can come with your friends after work, looking at the sunset. You can have some good kind of beer and some cocktail. They have sea crab and lagoon crab. Also they have calamari and also they have prawn. So they have different type of fish.
Oh wow. Yeah, yeah.
The aroma is already coming out from the,
Yes, it is. Salt.
So yeah.
The spices that you put in, they're pretty standard.
Yeah. Sri Lanka, like we can't make a curry without curry powder, chili, and turmeric. Normally, those three we all the time using, and also black pepper. We all the time using it. They're adding some water now
Okay.
to get the gravy. I'm already coughing.
I feel like I might sneeze.
Yeah. Still good smell, isn't it?
Yes, it's like a curry stew almost.
Crabs.
Okay. Oh, yum.
Thick coconut milk.
Oh, okay.
So it will help to give the creaminess to the sauce, and also it will thicken the sauce. So it's almost done.
I can't believe how quick that was, too. Now we have this big spread right here. You're gonna have to show me how to eat this because there's a few extra stuff here that I don't recognize.
Lentils curry or dal curry. This is coconut sambal. So it's made out of shredded coconut, chopped with chili powder, garlic, and salt, onions. We can't eat this without being messy. Oh, it's juicy. Wow, that's the best thing. So get a piece of this crunchy bread, get the flesh and some sambal
Okay.
and some lentil curry. And it's gonna be a big bite. Wow, it's creamy. It's not too spicy.
So let's dig in. We're gonna add some of the dal curry and the sambal.
Don't push too hard. In the middle of the shell. Take it here. Yeah.
Much harder than I thought.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, no, now you can use this to peel it out.
To
Yeah.
peel it out. Wow, I'm just shooting things left and right. This is like a lot of effort.
She's struggling.
I am. I used to know how to eat crab, but apparently this is teaching me. I really want to eat this. Perfect right there.
Sure.
Whew, this works.
Add a little bit of gravy into it. Good?
Yeah, I'm tasting like the coconut.
Yeah, that's especially from the dal.
I'm trying to see if I can taste the difference between seafood and lagoon. It's hard to tell. Why is it
That's what it's called roast bread. So it's a little bit roasted, in the oven to get the crunchiness. Someone is crying.
It's got a nice salty flavor, the curry does. I feel like the dal powers over the curry just a little bit, but when I lick my fingers, I can taste it, and I can taste like the spice of the curry. One claw down, one more to go. This does take a little effort to eat though, I will say that. You do get your hands dirty. It is kind of fun being messy. It's hard to film and have fun being messy. There we go. Pick me up.
Between Uber and PickMe, Sri Lankans will say PickMe is the better app, but Uber is the cheaper one. I tried using Uber, and maybe it was because it was for the first time that I was using it, but it didn't work for me. Whereas PickMe was just like immediate. Not only that, you've got like these really cool functions. The good thing about this app that's different apparently from Uber is that you can there's a little function, a little button that you can hit if there's emergencies, if you feel endangered by your driver. That kind of like quick call button to hit. Initially I was gonna go with Uber because it just seemed more familiar, like more Western. But I think the PickMe app is gonna be the best app to download if you are coming to Sri Lanka.
So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Also, if you're visiting Sri Lanka, definitely give Rajitha a call. He can help you plan your trip as well as answer some of your questions. Okay, I'll leave his details down below. Until then, travel safe, smart, and fun, and may the GRRRL be with you.
Thanks for watching. Check out my Sri Lanka travel playlist for more travel videos about Sri Lanka. And join me weekly for more Girl Traveler videos, where I take you inside my solo travel bucket list. Travel safe, smart, and fun, and may the GRRRL be with you.